Jasmy will be a leader of the Web3 data economy. And most people will get left behind. Most people will miss out on these opportunities. They'll be wondering what went wrong. Why did I miss out on it? It's because they didn't have conviction and didn't believe in the project that they're investing in. That's why they'll get left behind. Jasmy fam, if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Again, just to update you guys, took a few days away because there was a tropical storm in my area. Luckily it wasn't that bad, thank God, compared to other islands. Some islands did have ton of floods, flash flooding that took place. Didn't happen the same here. We got a ton of wind and rain though, so I was waiting until the weather completely cleared up so I could get back to posting and get back to updating you guys on one of my favorite gems in the space, Jasmy. And I know this project long term will crush it, man. And that's why I say, even if you just hold 100,000 Jasmy, up to 100,000 to 300,000, which is around $1,000 invested in Jasmy, that could potentially lead you to some amazing gains in the future if we do truly see, and it could happen, like anything is possible in crypto, if we do truly see a 36 cent to $1 Jasmy. That's gonna be absolutely amazing gains, right? So Jasmy fam, if you're interested, please be sure to watch the video until the end. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's dive in. This is from Kareem. Jasmy will lead the Web 3.0 data economy and data monetization. Data is the new oil resource and driving the force of the information age. According to the forecast of the Internet Data Center, the global data will reach 175 zettabytes in 2025. Data is the new oil resource, the driving force of the information age. 175 zettabytes. That's how important data will become. And Jasmy is one of the projects in the space, one of the few innovative, unique projects in the space that saw this coming a while ago, right? And that's why Jasmy's focus has been data security, data democratization, IoTs, because this will be a massive sector in the world as we know it. This will be a massive industry, and having exposure through Jasmy to this industry is gonna be life-changing as time progresses, as long as the team delivers on what their goals are. Right? The Jasmy Pirate. I think I gotta double down on I'm gonna double down on my Jasmy right after this weekend. No joke, this feels like the right time. Jasmy for the win. And look at the community engagement for Jasmy. 3,000 views on a tweet right here, 100 likes, 11 retweets. The community engagement of Jasmy is phenomenal. This is what you look for in projects. Like when there's a ton of awareness on the project, when new retail gets into the space, they're gonna more than likely get exposed to projects that everyone is talking about, right? Similar to XRP. I always bring up XRP. That XRP community is massive, right? And when I first got into the space, that was my first crypto I ever bought. Why? Because of how massive the community is. So the first thing I saw was YouTube videos about XRP. Go on Twitter searching about crypto. The first thing I see is XRP, right? And it's the same thing here that will potentially happen with Jasmy. Jasmy's community will just continue to grow and get bigger. When new people get into the space, the first thing they see is Jasmy, right? NeoXtrix, the DC microgrid, is an innovative technology that can transform the Jasmy project significantly. A DC microgrid is a local energy system that operates on direct current as opposed to traditional alternating currents. It allows energy to be produced, stored, and distributed more efficiently with precise control. That's my field because I was a former electrician. Nice one, NeoXtrix. Okay. First, microgrid technology could help improve IoT data security. Microgrids are local electricity networks that can be isolated from the main electricity network. This means that IoT data collected by IoT devices connected to a microgrid would be less likely to be hacked or stolen. And again, this is where Jasmy shines. Second, microgrid technology could help reduce IoT costs. Microgrids can be used to generate energy from renewable sources such as solar or wind power. This could help reduce electricity costs for businesses and individuals using IoT devices. Third, microgrid technology could help improve IoT efficiency. Microgrids can be used to collect, analyze data in real time. This could help businesses and individuals better understand how they use their IoT devices and identify opportunities for improvement. Here are some specific examples of how microgrid technology could be used in the Jasmy project. A company could use microgrid to collect data from IoT sensors to monitor conditions in its facilities. An individual can use a microgrid to power their IoT devices such as security cameras and thermostats. A city could use a microgrid to collect data from IoT sensors to monitor traffic and air quality. Interesting stuff, man. In all of these cases, microgrid technology could help Jasmy achieve its goal of creating a world where users are in control of their IoT data. DC microgrid, invented by T Morita, CSO of Jasmy. What, really? DC microgrid, invented by T Morita, CSO of Jasmy. What? Is a local electricity grid that uses direct current to power its devices. DC microgrids are more efficient than traditional AC microgrids because they do not lose energy when converting AC to DC. DC microgrids are particularly suitable for IoT applications because they are simpler to install and maintain than AC microgrids. They are also safer as they do not pose the risk of electrical shock. Man, DC microgrid technology is still in development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the IoT industry. Man, what the heck? And you say T Morita, CSO of Jasmy, has created DC microgrid. What the heck? DC microgrids are efficient than traditional AC microgrids, which could help Jasmy save energy and reduce costs. That's crazy, man. DC microgrids could be used to manage energy and demand, reduce carbon emissions. Going back to green, how everything is carbon friendly now. This could help Jasmy be more sustainable and reduce her energy costs. In short, DC microgrids could offer Jasmy a number of benefits. It's the key to powering Jasmy reliably, sustainably, and autonomously. This technology promises to make our IoT world safer and greener than ever. The team seems to have planned everything. And right here, look at this. Tadashi Morita, Chief CSO of Jasmy, Security Officer, Senior Strategist. If we take a look, let me zoom in so you guys can see that clearly. Right here. Since 2013, joined the OES project of Sony Company Science Laboratory and invented DC microgrid technology and installed at Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology Graduate University. What the heck? The Jasmy team, like Neo Extra says, seems to have planned everything, man. Curve Finance had a great conversation with Rob over at Crypto Future YouTube today, where we taught Jasmy. Make sure to give Rob a follow. I hope you all enjoyed. So, nice Jasmy video from Crypto Future 99. Go and support all the Jasmy content creators, because overall, that's going to be great for the project as a whole. Just like how, like I said, my first project was XRP because I saw a ton of YouTube videos, ton of content, Twitter posts, everything about the project, and the same thing is happening here with Jasmy. We're just in the baby phases of it taking place, right? Jasmy right now sitting at 0.03351 at $164 million in market cap, $14.4 million in 24-hour trade volume, still in this range. Don't worry though, when the ETFs of BlackRock, all of these other major stock companies approve their ETFs, and Bitcoin is on its way to new all-time highs, and new catalysts arise for Jasmy with the development of the team Jasmy chain, etc. It's gonna be a crazy time, and you don't want to miss out on that move, man. You don't want to miss out on that wild ride. Dr. Jasmy, like so much of the market, is in an accumulation zone. Exactly, that's what I've been saying on the channel. It's going sideways. This is what you call an accumulation zone, where people could DCA and get the bags that they're happy with at a cheap price, So guess what? You buy low. When it goes high, you sell high. That's how you make money in the space. My nice chat on the topic this morning with Not4x7. Check out my accumulation schematic comparison. Not identical, but it certainly rhymes. Credit to Halo Crypto for providing user-friendly resource, alternate versions to coming as well. So, as you guys can see, accumulation schematic 2. Let me zoom in so you guys could see that clearly. Right, this is an accumulation phase, typical accumulation phases in charts, right? Stocks, crypto, you name it. Phase A, phase B, phase C, phase D, right? And as you guys can see, what is Jasmy doing? What is Jasmy doing? It's doing the same thing as the chart above. Typical accumulation phases. So we're gonna be entering into phase C and phase D very soon, right? Phase C more than likely will be the last time you get Jasmy at these levels, and going into phase D, we see the massive breakout. Jasmy fam, I'm telling you, don't fumble your bags. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member to support further. Really appreciate all the support. Really appreciate all the support on X, Twitter as well. Make sure you like, retweet, follow me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.